I'm sure it has happened to you that at some point you've been wondering if someone else has access to your Instagram account, or maybe they're making some changes to it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out if other people have access to your data and how you can stop them from using your data. In order to do so, you want to open your Instagram and head over to settings. The first option says Account Center. You want to tap on that. And as you can see, this one says password and security. When you tap on that, here you see security checks, where you're logged in, and login alerts. So if I tap on the first one and choose my account, Instagram will show me how many devices have access to my account, and it says you're currently logged in on these devices. For me, it's the only one that I'm using right now, but if there were other sessions, they would be listed here, and I could log out of them, maybe all of them, or just one of them if I wanted to. Now, if I go back and back one more time, the second option after where you're logged in says login alerts. If you tap on that, here it says see how you'll be notified about unrecognized logins to your Facebook and Instagram accounts. So for me, it says that it will send me an in-app notification, which is always on, and it will send an email to the email that I have connected to my account. And this one is also always on. So whenever somebody logs into my account, I will get notifications both on the app and also I will get an email. So here you can adjust the settings to suit your needs. And if you had other people who have logged into your account, after removing them, just the way I showed you how, you can tap on Change Password and choose your account. And by entering your current password and a new password and retyping it, you can change your password so people would not be able to have access to your account anymore. Hope this helps, and keep in mind always protect your personal data as well as your password, and always take care.